and there you should be able to select which country you're in. They do require you to register with your email address, names, username, that kind of thing. And then any IT exam you take, for which Pearson VUE do the testing, which is most of them, you will need to book the exam on their website. Now the cost can vary. In the USA, if you take the CCNA at the moment, it can change. It's $295. Or if you take the 2 exam route, it works out at $150 times 2. Now check the terms and conditions because they can change, but you should be able to cancel anything up to 48 hours before the time you're due to take the exam. Now it's important that you keep abreast of what the latest syllabus. Type into Google CCNA Syllabus. You'll need to register an account, which is free, with Cisco systems. You can access their website. However, you can view the syllabus online, or as you can see, you can view exam details as a PDF and download it. Bear in mind the syllabus can change, so do check before you take the exam. And Cisco reserve the right to ask non-syllabus questions, which is obviously unfair because it's something that isn't listed in the syllabus, so you won't have prepared, but sometimes the odd question can slip in. You can print it out in PDF, as I've said, and I recommend you do that. When you finally get to the exam centre on your test day, you need to take 2 forms of ID with you, one photographic, such as a driving licence. You don't have to, but I recommend you take your exam booking confirmation. The reason is I've turned it before and they said I hadn't booked an exam, and for some reason my booking got lost in the system, so it just caused a bit of a headache. Make sure you get there 15 minutes before you're actually due